Hi, thanks for tuning in. Today I wanted to do a quick what's in my bag and first impressions on a relatively recent purchase. So if you watched one of my earlier haul videos, you would have seen I picked this clutch up in early March or mid-March. And this is part of the Spring-Summer 2019 collection, Chanel by the Sea. So you see it says Sha and then it says Nell on the other side. There is a tweed on the inside with a PVC cover. It is black. The tweed I think is also black, but it has some like white running through it, and the white has like blue, yellow, and some tan. It has a pull tab, a wristlet kind of tab, and this double CC right here in some light champagne gold hardware, and there are no feet or anything. So I picked this up in March at the Chanel boutique that opened up in Hudson Yards, and I was really excited to pick this up to just share some dimensions. This one is like a larger size, so this is about 11.5 inches across, 8 inches tall, and 2 inches wide. I say this is a larger one because at the time I purchased this, this was the only style I saw at that boutique. It was also the only color they had. I confirmed whether it came in other colors, and I was told this was the only color. But as the months went on and as I went to different boutiques, I recently saw like a hot pink one of these, but it was smaller. I want to say it was about yay tall, yay wide. So it's definitely a smaller case. Online I also seen it in like a beige colorway and a green colorway, so there's definitely other colors of this style, but when I purchased it there was only black, so this is the one that I have. To share what's in my bag, if I open it up, you can see there's a lot of space inside. So the first thing are my sunglasses. These are my Gentle Monsters in a soft case. These are just my like standard everyday all black sunglasses. I also have my wallet, which is this Chanel card holder in the Barbie pink that came out for Cruise 2019. I also have a battery pack or a power bank because my phone is on the older side now and so it is starting to lose its battery. So this is a really slim one that I found on Amazon. It only has the iPhone Lightning adapter at the end, so it only charges iPhones or Apple products, but this is really great. I also have a handkerchief because it's starting to get warm in New York City, and so I like to carry around a handkerchief in case I get really hot. And I also have a couple lip products. These are the Dior Lip Glows. These are new ones that came out. So they have like a swirl. Oh, it's called Lip Glow to the Max. So it has this kind of a swirl on the inside, if you can see. And this is in the color Rosewood, so it's like a pretty nude color. And the other lip product is from Lipstick Queen. These are one of their velvet rope lipsticks in private parties, so it's like a hot pink. I like to wear brighter lips in the warmer weather. I think it really brightens up the face. So that's everything that's in my bag. In the back here there is a zippered compartment. I don't know if you can see the zipper that opens up like so. I actually have never used the zipper compartment. And yeah, inside is just a nylon, what do you call it? Like a nylon lining, so it would be really easy to clean if something were to spill or get messy in there. This has just been really great to carry around. Just for size comparison, or if you're wondering, all of those items fit comfortably inside with some extra room to spare. If you have a full-size wallet, like I do, I have this Hermes wallet here, it does fit comfortably in there. and all the rest of the stuff that I have would fit normally. So if you are someone who likes to carry a full-size wallet, it totally fits inside this clutch right here. I just tend to carry smaller card wallets when I'm out and about on the weekends. So to share my first impressions of this item, I absolutely love it. I do want to mention that I'm actually not really a clutch person. I prefer bags that have a top handle and a shoulder strap. I like the versatility. I like to be hands-free. So that's really what my preference is. But when I saw this, it was just so cool. Like it was so chic. It seemed to have like a little bit of like streetwear flair to it. It wasn't super obvious that it's Chanel because it only has half the name on it. And I really think this wristlet strap is clutch. Like if I want to be hands-free, it does make it easy to do so. So yeah, I've actually been able to incorporate this pretty easily into my lifestyle. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I have styled this with a lot of different outfits. This is really easy to dress up and down, but like I recently took it to Korea, to my trip to Korea, and I thoroughly enjoyed it there. It's great for when it's raining and things like that, so it's a really versatile piece. I don't know if this means I'm gonna run out and buy like a whole bunch more clutches because I'm really happy with this one, but it does, I like it a lot more than I thought, and I use it a lot more than I thought. This is really great for, if you know you're not really going anywhere far, like you don't need a lot of stuff, this is great to just like jump out in, like run an errand and like come back. And it's really roomy because it has this PVC and it's calfskin. It is hard wearing. I've worn it in the rain. And again, this wristlet made it easy because then I just like threw it on my wrist and I was carrying an umbrella just fine. Otherwise, I prefer to carry it under my arm like this. I think it looks really effortless and chic that way. But it's also nice to hold it like down your side like this. What I do want to mention though, because it is a clutch and because I tend to wear it under my arm, when the day is over, I do notice that it's a little depressed on the center, right? So it'll kind of flatten in the center versus on the sides. That's just something to note, but I think that would be the case for all kinds of clutch styles that you use under your arm like that. So I've kind of accepted that to be a part of the bag and just how I prefer to wear it, so it doesn't bother me too much. Sorry about that. I try to stuff it when I'm not using it though, so that it can kind of puff back out. And this zipper is so smooth. It's really easy to use. It's really easy to get in and out of. So I really like that. I also like that it has like this 2-inch depth here, and it's not a complete like flat envelope style, which means I can fit so much more in this bag than like just a typical O case that comes with the both ends kind of flushed together. Oh, that was the other point I wanted to make. This is technically an O case, it's not really marketed as a clutch. So the price point on this I think is excellent for like in terms of bang for your buck. It would be great to use inside a larger bag when you're traveling so that you can take this on your travels easily, but it's also like storing some of your stuff in your larger carry-on. It's just such a versatile piece. It does have much more of a casual feel to it, but I don't see why you can't dress it up. It is a bit on the larger side, but when you're traveling, I think it would work just fine. I'm just really impressed. I also just like love the tweed on the inside. One day I hope to own like a tweed jacket. That would be amazing. But in the meantime, I can admire the tweed and like the craftsmanship behind it, through this bag. And because of the PVC covering, it won't like fray on the inside, or like it won't be like something that frays because it rubs against my clothes or it rubs against some surface. I also saw they made like a cell phone case in this style, but it looks like this. So it's like a very mini version. It would like fit your phone, and it has a long chain. That was also, I saw it in hot pink and black. And it has Chanel, like Sha and then Nell on the back, running like vertically like this. So cute. It was so cute. But I already had this piece, and I don't just carry my cell phone. I didn't see why I would have that, but this is really a nice versatile piece to use, and I'm just happy to have it in my collection. So that's everything. I know that was a really quick video, but I wanted to share what's in my bag, what fits inside this case, as well as some of my first impressions and how I go about using this item. If you have this piece, let me know how you like it, or if you're interested in this piece and you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below or head on over to Instagram, and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. If you like this content, I put out new videos every Sunday, so if you'd like to be one of the first to know, feel free to subscribe. So until next time, bye!